Congratulations! You finally saved up enough money for a down payment. You navigated the brutal housing market, you locked in your mortgage rate, and you bought a beautiful condo with a community pool. You are officially living the American dream. But then, a few months later, you get a letter in the mail. It is from a bureaucratic committee of your neighbors, led by a retired accountant named Susan, demanding that you immediately hand over $40,000 to fix a roof that you do not even technically own. The mainstream media is obsessed with mortgage rates, but they are completely ignoring the silent assassin of the American housing market. Homeowners association fees and special assessments are quietly destroying property values across the country. Outsiders look at these condo listings on Zillow and think they have found the ultimate real estate cheat code. They see a beautiful two-bedroom unit sitting in a prime coastal city for half the price of a single-family home. They completely misunderstand the trap they are walking into. In 2026, the game has fundamentally changed. We are facing a massive reckoning of deferred maintenance. For decades, HOA boards kept monthly fees artificially low just to keep the residents happy and the property values climbing. But you cannot negotiate with concrete, and you cannot gaslight a plumbing system. The bill has finally come due. On top of that, new federal lending guidelines from Fannie Mae are forcing associations to maintain a massive 15% reserve fund. If your building does not have the cash, buyers cannot get a mortgage, which means your home is functionally unsellable to anyone who does not have a briefcase full of $100 bills. Are you currently dealing with a tyrannical HOA board? Or are you sitting on the sidelines watching these fees explode? Drop a comment below and let me know the most ridiculous special assessment you have ever seen. Because we need to document this financial comedy, let us dive right into the countdown of the 16 American cities where HOA fees are absolutely destroying home values. Number 16. Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta wanted a skyline full of luxury glass boxes, and now the people living in them are paying the ultimate price for that ambition. Monthly fees in Midtown are routinely hitting $800 to $1,200, with special assessments frequently popping up for deferred plumbing and elevator maintenance. You get incredible access to the Beltline, a vibrant restaurant scene right outside your lobby, and a booming corporate job market. The downside is that the building management spent the last 5 years keeping fees artificially low to attract buyers, and now the mechanical failures are entirely your financial problem. It is a great place to live if you enjoy subsidizing a corporate property manager's learning curve. Number 15. Austin, Texas. Austin built condos for a massive tech boom that eventually went remote, leaving the current residents to hold a very expensive bag. Downtown condo values are actively dropping, yet HOA fees are climbing past $1,000 a month just to keep the empty amenity decks air-conditioned and pristine. You get to live in the live music capital of the world, eat world-class barbecue every weekend, and enjoy the beautiful hill country aesthetic. The massive trade-off is that you are paying premium maintenance fees on a building that might be 30% vacant, meaning the remaining owners are absorbing the shock of inflation entirely on their own. Welcome to Texas, where the state income tax is zero, but the luxury condo fee is basically a second mortgage. Number 14. Chicago, Illinois. Chicago high-rises are architectural marvels that are currently crumbling from the inside out. Vintage lakefront buildings are slapping owners with special assessments, ranging from $20,000 to $50,000 just to fix concrete spalling and facade issues before the city shuts them down. The culture is absolutely unmatched, offering incredible summers on Lake Michigan, world-class museums, and a deeply authentic neighborhood vibe. You are dealing with brutal winters, astronomical local property taxes, and an HOA board that views your personal bank account as a bottomless emergency fund for brick repair. At least the deep dish pizza is cheap, because it is the only thing you will be able to afford after the monthly board meeting. Number 13. Denver, Colorado. Denver is the mile-high city, which perfectly describes the exact trajectory of your monthly assessments. Aging condo complexes built in the 80s and 90s are pushing base fees into the $600 to $900 range, driven almost entirely by catastrophic hail damage that destroyed the master insurance policies. You get instant access to the Rocky Mountains, fantastic craft breweries, and an incredibly active outdoor community of people who all drive expensive imported SUVs. Every time it storms, your HOA board has a collective panic attack, and you end up paying for a massive roof replacement because the commercial insurance company refused to fully cover the claim. Buying a condo here is just a really expensive way to gamble on the local weather patterns. Number 12. Seattle. Washington. Seattle developers built eco-friendly luxury towers, but they apparently forgot that security and insurance actually cost real money. Downtown HOA fees are easily pushing past $1,200 a month as buildings desperately try to hire private security details and cover skyrocketing master insurance premiums. You are living in a coffee-obsessed, tech-forward city surrounded by stunning evergreen forests and majestic waterways. The urban core has faced massive livability and public safety issues over the last few years, meaning your exorbitant monthly fee is largely going toward keeping the lobby doors locked and the parking garage completely secure. You are essentially paying a massive luxury premium to live in a very beautiful fortress. Number 11. Myrtle Beach. South Carolina. Myrtle Beach is the budget-friendly vacation capital of the South, unless you actually make the mistake of buying a condo there. Older beachfront resort complexes are hitting owners with $10,000 to $30,000 special assessments to fix aging balconies, leaky windows, and degrading seawalls. You get a laid-back, golf-obsessed coastal lifestyle with endless seafood buffets and gorgeous morning ocean views. Coastal insurance carriers are quietly abandoning the state entirely, causing HOA master policies to double or triple in a single year, which completely destroys any potential rental yield you thought you were going to make. Your cheap beach getaway is actually a masterclass in deferred maintenance masquerading as a vacation. Number 10. Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix is a monument to man's arrogance, and its HOA fees are a monument to absolute financial pain. Desert communities are seeing fees jump 20 to 40%, as the cost of community water features, landscaping, and massive air conditioning overhauls completely blow up the annual budget. You get pristine golf courses, beautiful desert sunsets, and a deeply relaxing resort lifestyle for 8 months of the year. When a community pool needs resurfacing or the clubhouse AC fails in July, the board will pass a special assessment so fast it will make your head spin. Because the desert heat does not wait for a vote, it turns out that maintaining a lush green paradise in the middle of a barren desert is actually quite expensive. Number 9. Honolulu, Hawaii. Hawaii is literal paradise, but the condo associations are running a financial purgatory that nobody talks about on them tourism brochures. Thanks to decades of relentless salt air corrosion, aging towers from the 70s are hitting owners with concrete restoration assessments that routinely top $50,000 to $100,000. You are living in a postcard, surfing in the morning, and eating fresh poke for lunch while enjoying the best climate on the planet. The cost of shipping construction materials to an island in the middle of the Pacific means every single repair costs 3 times what it would on the mainland. And your HOA reserve fund is likely running on fumes. Aloha means hello, goodbye, and please remit $80,000 for emergency plumbing repairs. Number 8. San Diego, California. San Diego has the best weather on earth, which is exactly what your HOA board uses to justify robbing you blind. Coastal condos are seeing base fees hover around $1,000 a month, with massive insurance spikes driven by coastal bluff erosion and statewide carrier exits making things even worse. You get perfect 70-degree weather year-round, incredible fish tacos, and a deeply relaxed surf culture that attracts people from all over the globe. California lawmakers are trying to cap standard HOA fee increases to 8%, but special assessments for aging roofs and exploding insurance premiums are completely gutting property values. Because buyers simply cannot afford the monthly carrying costs, you pay a sunshine tax to the state and a completely separate sunshine tax to the neighborhood committee. Number 7. Houston, Texas. Houston is a city with 0 zoning laws, which explains why the condo market operates like an absolute financial free-for-all. Constant flooding history has caused master insurance policies to skyrocket, pushing standard HOA fees into the $800 range for buildings that are not even considered luxury properties. The city is a booming economic powerhouse with an incredibly diverse food scene, friendly locals, and endless job opportunities in the energy and medical sectors. The entire metro area is basically a paved swamp, and your condo association is constantly one major rainstorm away from declaring a financial emergency to fix the underground parking garage. Keep your truck lifted and your checkbook wide open. Number 6. Los Angeles. California. Los Angeles is where dreams come true. Assuming your dream involves paying a committee to tell you what color you are allowed to paint your front door. Condos and gated communities near the hills are seeing massive special assessments as traditional insurers flee wildfire zones and dump associations onto the wildly expensive California FAIR plan. You are living in the entertainment capital of the world, surrounded by wellness culture, incredible hiking trails, and endless sunshine. Your property value is actively being suppressed because potential buyers are getting their mortgage loans denied. When the bank sees the association's depleted reserve fund and the skyrocketing cost of fire insurance, you can practice all the mindfulness you want, but you cannot manifest a fully funded HOA Reserve account. Number 5. Orlando. Florida. Orlando is the happiest place on earth, right up until the condo board schedules an emergency budget meeting. Tourist-heavy condo communities are getting crushed by the new 2026 Fannie Mae reserve requirements, forcing associations to hike fees by 40 to 60% just to remain eligible for conventional mortgages. You get immediate access to massive theme parks, endless family entertainment, and the financial benefit of having zero state income tax. A massive portion of the inventory here was built specifically for short-term rentals, meaning the transient wear and tear is high, and the out-of-state investors who control the board have severely underfunded the reserves for decades. Mickey Mouse is not going to save you from a $20,000 roof assessment. Number 4. Las Vegas. Nevada. Las Vegas is built entirely on bad bets, and buying a house in a master-planned suburban HOA is currently the worst bet in town. Sprawling suburban associations are aggressively raising fees and levying special assessments to maintain massive artificial lakes, pristine golf courses, and gate security as inflation eats their operating budgets. You get 24/7 entertainment, a booming professional sports scene, and relatively cheap base housing prices compared to neighboring California. The HOA boards here are notoriously aggressive, utilizing constant fines and liens to make up for budget shortfalls, which turns your desert oasis into a heavily surveilled neighborhood watch state. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, except for your money, which goes directly to the property management company. Number 3. Tampa, Florida. Tampa saw a massive influx of remote workers during the pandemic, and now those people are learning exactly how Florida real estate actually works. Coastal vulnerability and aging infrastructure mean condo fees in Tampa are frequently eclipsing the actual mortgage payment, with owners quietly bailing out and dumping inventory at massive losses. The city is vibrant, surrounded by incredible Gulf beaches, pirate festivals, and a booming corporate sector that keeps the local economy humming. The insurance market treats the entire Tampa Bay area as a giant, terrifying target. When the master policy renews at a 300% markup, the board passes that cost directly to you in the form of a crippling special assessment. It is a great place to buy a boat, mostly because you might actually need to live on it. Number 2. San Francisco. California's San Francisco real estate was once considered completely invincible, but the HOA fees are currently doing what gravity could not. Downtown luxury units have lost massive amounts of equity, yet the monthly HOA fees remain stubbornly fixed between $1,500 and $2,000 a month. You are living in a historic, culturally dense, world-class city with stunning architecture and elite dining options on every corner. You are paying a massive premium to maintain a building in a neighborhood that has seen a severe corporate exodus, meaning your equity is vanishing while your carrying costs stay at peak boom levels. You are basically paying a tech billionaire premium to live in a market that the tech billionaires already abandoned. Number 1. Miami-Dade County, Florida. Miami is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the HOA financial apocalypse. Post-Surfside structural integrity laws in 2026 are forcing buildings to fund mandatory reserves, resulting in nightmare special assessments ranging from $50,000 to $400,000 per individual unit. It is the ultimate tropical playground, filled with incredible nightlife, international wealth, beautiful beaches, and a booming financial sector. Over half of the condos in Miami-Dade are currently non-compliant with state laws. If you buy a cheap condo here, you are walking directly into a financial ambush where the special assessment will literally cost more than the property itself, making it completely unsellable to anyone with a functioning brain. Welcome to Miami, where the neon lights are bright and the condo market is a highly organized wealth extraction mechanism. The bottom line. So what is the actual takeaway from all of this madness? The era of cheap, low-maintenance condo living is officially dead. The laws have changed. The insurance market has broken, and the days of kicking the financial can down the road are completely over. If you are shopping for a home inside an HOA, you are not just buying real estate. You are buying the financial history, the mistakes, and the deferred maintenance of every single person who lived in that building before you. Do not let a fresh coat of paint and a cheap listing price blind you to the reality of the balance sheet. Always demand the reserve study, check the master insurance policy, and read the meeting minutes before you sign your life away. Are we watching the end of the American condo market? Or is this just a painful transition into a safer, more heavily regulated future? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to keep tracking the real data behind the real estate headlines. Until next time, stay sharp, read the fine print, and never trust a condo board that says the roof is perfectly fine. To see exactly how these factors are playing out in real time, check out this deep dive on the Florida and Phoenix condo crisis 2026. This video breaks down the exact math behind how mandatory safety laws and extreme weather costs are effectively locking owners out of the standard real estate market.